guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously my background is a little bit different. I'm actually just sitting in our dining room right now. It is so hot in my filming room, I needed to get out, and I figured this was more of a casual video. It's not a makeup video or tutorial or anything. I am in my Hogwarts t-shirt, which I love, and yeah, we're just gonna make this really casual, kind of just sit down talking with friends, nothing too formal. I'm gonna be going through the fall FABFITFUN box. I'm really excited for this. I haven't seen much online about it just yet because I didn't want to spoil it for myself, but I'm really excited to see what is in this season's box because you guys know I loved my summer box. It came about 2 weeks ago and it took a lot of self-control not to rip it open and play with everything. I did peek, so I did cheat a little bit, but I don't really know what's really in this. The box is so beautiful. It just screams fall and it makes me so excited for fall. As you can tell, I threw on a dark lip. Did you guys notice? But yeah, so let's just open it up. This is what it looks like. Again, I peeked in just a tiny bit when I got it because I have very little self-control when it comes to stuff like this, but I really didn't get to play with everything or go through everything just yet. So of course it comes with a little catalog. I actually really like reading through this to see tips and tricks with the products. So Christina Applegate is on this season's little catalog. I love her. She's so funny. And then you open it up and here is all our products. Look at that packaging. Is that not gorgeous? The clouds are going in and out, so I'm so sorry if I change into like 6 different colored lawns in this video. So let's just go through it really quickly. The first thing we have is an umbrella. This looks amazing. This is from Catherine Malandrino. Wow, I said that really weird. Catherine Malandrino. And the print is really cute. I think they're just tiny little roses. Let's see if I could show you guys what the print looks like. So they're just tiny little roses all around, and obviously I'm not going to open this up, but it looks like a pretty decent size umbrella. Next up we have a skincare product. This is the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit Glucosamine Extract. I don't know what that is, that was a lot. This is free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfates, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine, I don't even know what that is, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. There you go. So what is really in this? Oh, that's really cute packaging. It's like a little squeezy tube, like your toothpaste, but it's like really hard plastic, very luxurious feeling. A gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently delaminate dry and dead skin cells and stimulate skin regeneration. So far so good. Facial skin is left looking radiant, calm, and smooth, perfectly prepared for moisturizing. I don't know how much this is. Let's look in the catalog. Guys, you would not guess how much this is. This is $67. I think I paid $40 or $50 for this entire box, and this tiny little guy is $67. That's crazy. I love this subscription box because it is just 4, maybe 5 times out of the year. You're basically paying the same amount as you would like $10 or $15 a month for a tiny little baby size products. This is a full size product worth $67. That's pretty darn impressive. That's really cool. So let's move on to the next product. I should tell you how much the umbrella was too. The umbrella was $40. So I mean, this alone pays for the box, so all these other goodies are just bonuses. Next up, we have the Skin & Co. Blue and Caprice Shower Gel. This has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, that smells really good. That would be perfect for fall, like a really cold fall day. You come home to like a nice steamy shower. This smells so relaxing. I love it. So this retails for, so it's actually not in the catalog anywhere. So, oh, here it is. Oh my God, it's right in front of me. So this retails for $22. A $22 body wash is pretty darn pricey, so this is nice to try out in the box. Oh, I literally did not even see this. I'm so sorry. That would be my cousin Kathy. I didn't even see this when I was like rummaging through really quickly. This is the Beauty Blender and it's in that light pale pink color and it's $20. So that's really cool that they threw a pretty popular brand name product in here. It's not just like some new company that's starting up and they threw a beauty sponge in there. This is actually the beauty blender, so that's really cool to have as a backup. I'll probably just keep this for travel since it has like the little, what do you call it, container for it already, so this would be really great for traveling. Next up is another skincare product. This is from Pharmacy, and this is their Do It All Total Eye Cream. This eye cream retails for $38. I know that Pharmacy is a higher end brand product. It's sold at Sephora, so this is really great to get in the box as well. You guys know I'm a huge skincare fan and I love eye creams. My eyes are very, I don't know, they have good days and they have bad days. Today is a good day where they're not, you know, crepey and dry and scaly and puffy. They're a little puffy, but I'm actually really excited to try this out. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Pharmacy, so this would be a nice start. Next up is Simply Whimsical Towel. So if you guys don't know about FABFITFUN, it's not just like beauty products or food. It's like literally a mix of everything. Obviously you got skincare products, a makeup tool, an umbrella, a towel. So it's like a little bit of everything, which I think is really fun because you're just like surprised with every box. You know, you're not just expecting makeup or skincare, you're gonna get a bunch of little goodies in it too. The Simply Whimsical tea towels, and it retails for $14.99 for the set. So this is actually a really beautiful print. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like the kind of towel material where when you wipe your hand, it's not drying your hands whatsoever. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves with towels. Why would you make a towel that doesn't dry your body or your hands? What is the point of it then? It's just mirroring the liquid around. Like, why? I don't need that. So this feels like it would actually dry my hands when I use it. So this is really, really cool. I have some more skincare products. Wow, Glam Glow. This is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. And they give you two. Glam Glow is a great skincare brand. I love their masks. So this retails for $18 for 2 packs. So they're $9 each, which is not bad at all. That is super, super cool. I'm gonna throw this in the fridge after I film this video so that it's nice and cool, and I'll try it out tonight for you guys. So I love that. This was what I opened the box for in the beginning because my fiance was home and he has been talking about getting a French coffee press. Just, you know, sometimes he wants his coffee made a different way. We have the Keurig, but it doesn't stay as hot as like real coffee does, if that makes any sense. So this is the Alfred French Press Coffee Maker, and it's so cute. It says, but first coffee, right on the front in like this avocado green color, and it looks pretty nice. It looks really cute. This would look so cute on like the kitchen counter, and this retails for $22. Not bad at all. So he's really excited about this. He can finally use it. I said you can't use it until I film my unboxing, so here you go, honey. You can start using it now. And last up in the box is a bag, and this I did know I was getting because I signed up for the premium or plus version of the subscription, whatever it's called, and you get to pick between a couple products depending on, you know, what category it is. So this month I got to pick between this and the brush set from Crown Brush. I love Crown Brush, I love their brushes, but I honestly do not need any more makeup brushes. I already have like a frustrating time enough cleaning the ones that I do own, so I did not need another brush set. So I decided to get this bag because I thought this would be a really great like fall bag if I'm going out really quickly out of the house. This would be really great. Vince Camuto is a great brand, very well-made leather. So this is what it looks like. It's this really beautiful like red cognac color with the black stripe, and then on the other side it's just a solid color. It's a pretty decent size. It has a nice little slot in here for your phone, and then it's just one big like tote. So I love that. It's actually a pretty good size for me. It's not too big, and I really love the color. This just screams fall to me. So guys, that was everything that was in the box. I'm gonna put the total right here because I can't do the math right now, but it says that the total value retails from either $285 to $375 depending on the products you pick or the products that you get. So for $285 for a box that you're paying like $40 or $50 for, I mean, come on, that's not bad at all, right? That was a really, really cool box to open. That was really fun. I'm glad I waited. I'm glad I unboxed it for you guys. If you have any questions about the subscription or the products I mentioned, let me know down in the comment section below. I just want to say that this is not sponsored. I know it's really hard to find on YouTube or even blog posts to find like unsponsored FABFITFUN boxes. This is totally unsponsored. They do not know I'm making this. I paid for it with my own money. So this is all like my true, genuine reactions and just overall feel to this subscription box. I would highly recommend it if you have someone's birthday coming up and you don't know what to get them. You can buy one box at a time, so you can spend $50 and they get this amazing box to open up with a bunch of different products instead of getting them one thing that they may or may not like for $50. I think this is a great birthday option, and I'm definitely going to be picking these up for like Christmas or people's birthdays coming up. There's a lot of fall birthdays. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.